Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to create a professional opening curtain animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you have ever tried adding the default curtain transition to a slide, you might have noticed that PowerPoint just uses a plain black curtain. It works, but it doesn't look very impressive. Let's fix that and make it look completely custom. First, go to the slide thumbnail panel on the left. Right-click and insert a new blank slide directly before the slide you want to reveal. Next, click on that new blank slide. Go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon, click Pictures, and choose Online Pictures. Search for the word Curtains or Theater Curtain. Pick a high-quality image that fits your presentation style and click Insert. Once the image is on your slide, drag the corners to resize it so that it completely covers the entire blank slide. Now for the final step. Click on your main content slide, the one immediately after your curtain image. Go up to the Transitions tab and select Curtains. PowerPoint will now use the image from the previous slide to create a stunning, realistic curtain opening effect to reveal your content. It is a simple trick, but it makes a huge difference. If this quick guide helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more daily software and productivity tutorials. See you in the next video.